They say real estate is location, location, location. But given today's skyrocketing prices of goods and services, more buyers are conscious at prices, prices, prices. This listing at 8466 Maldito Court in Las Vegas, Nevada 89149 check both boxes. Location, check. Located in the amazing Centennial Hills. Price, check. For $489,000, you will have a total of 2,482 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a long driveway with a den, and a spacious loft area. This is a great value for a newer home under $500,000. Let's tour this beautiful home. This home is located in a quiet cul-de-sac. As you can see, guys, plenty of parking for your guests and friends. In addition, you will be enjoying this amazing space here, right? Nice garden. It always feels like you don't have a neighbor at your right. And one thing special about this home, you will note, is that this long driveway, definitely amazing if you have a lot of cars. 8466 Maldito Court in Las Vegas, Nevada 89149. Gated community and a low HOA fee of $57 a month. Truly an amazing deal for those looking under $500,000. Let's tour this home together. First, you have 2-car driveway and 2-car garage. However, I believe because this driver is longer than normal, you might be able to fit 3 cars here. We've got this really nice stonework. You have a covered porch before leading you to the main door. I can't wait for you to enter this home. Really great open space. Welcome to this beautiful home. One thing you will notice is when you enter the home, you will have a great color of the tiles, very light filled, very comfortable feeling. And welcome to this open living, dining, and kitchen area. One thing you will notice, guys, you will have this huge island. This is one of the upgrades when they built the home. Granite countertop and pull-out faucet. Beautiful white colors of the kitchen, right? Plenty of spaces for you to store your belongings. And in addition, you will have a great walk-in pantry space. All appliances are included in the price, definitely ready to go. Just bring your toothbrush and toothpaste. Now, this dining area is so spacious, right? Definitely a lot of space for your dining and entertainment. Facing this dining area is this amazing space for your living room. Everything is open. Take a look at the screen, guys. This is sample virtual staging where you can imagine how big this space is if you put the furniture at this living room area. Now, this is also another virtual staging if you put the bar stools at this particular kitchen island. As you will notice, everything is light-filled. Plenty of natural, bright light coming inside and a lot of different recessed lightings already installed at this particular home. In addition, the home comes with blinds already installed. I can't wait for us to tour the other part of this first floor. Welcome to this first floor den or office. Some people will convert this into a bedroom area because you also have a closet here. The closet is spacious. It goes underneath the stairs. Take a look at the screen, guys. This is the virtual staging if you wanted to stage this with a different furniture. Welcome to this powder room. This is for your guests. Definitely amazing to have a half bathroom on your first floor. Now let's visit the second floor. One thing I want to mention, if the buyer would like to retain this, it is also negotiable. But if the buyer does not need the stair lift, the seller is more than willing to take it with them. So definitely very flexible. Let's visit the second floor. Now you will have this spacious loft area. A lot of people really have wished for a loft area. This is already it. You've got this spacious loft area. Take a look at the screen. This is the virtual staging. If you wanted to put different styling of furniture at your liking, this is just an example virtual staging. Now I can't wait for us to tour the bedroom areas. First, secondary bedroom, a queen-size bed will fit in here easily. Again, this is a virtual staging that you can see on the screen. If you want to follow through with the virtual stage furniture, this bedroom will look really great. This is another secondary bedroom. A queen-size bed will also fit in here. Take a look at the screen for the virtual staging. And this is a much bigger secondary bedroom. This is definitely looking like a primary bedroom, but we're not yet on the primary bedroom. A king-size bed will fit in here easily, no problem. Now, this bedroom also has a huge walk-in closet. Definitely spacious, guys. You will enjoy. Whoever will stay at this bedroom is definitely going to be pampered with space. Now, the three bedrooms share this spacious full bathroom, double sink, quartz countertop, and then you have a shower and tub combo. In addition, this is your toilet area. Now, the great thing about this floor plan is that all the three secondary bedrooms are located at that side. And then you've got so much privacy at your primary bedroom because it's separated there by this loft area. Let's visit your primary bedroom. Before leading you to the primary bedroom, you have a laundry area, washer and dryer, and then you've got this linen closet to store your linens and towels. Welcome to your spacious primary bedroom. Double doors. This is one of those floor plans where you will enjoy space. Imagine you've got this king-size bed in there, lots of natural light coming inside. You actually can put a lot of seating arrangement here inside your primary bedroom. Take a look at the screen if you wanted to know more about the other virtual staging that you can follow. Welcome to this primary bathroom. You've got this upgraded quartz surround of the shower area, and you've got a separate tub. You've got quartz countertop with double sink, and also you got these gorgeous tiles. Now you also have a separate water closet. Your primary walk-in closet is so spacious. You will have a lot of space for your Louis Vuittons and Hermes bags and a lot of your favorite clothing. Now let's visit the backyard area. You have a sliding door leading you to your backyard. You also have a screen if you wanted some fresh air without totally closing the door. Welcome to your backyard. Easy maintenance, definitely amazing. If you look at this staging virtually, this is how it would look like if you put certain furniture. Now, one thing special about this backyard is that the seller already finished the side walkway, right? As you can see here, giving you more space to navigate towards the front of the house. Really awesome upgrade. I can't wait for you to enjoy this beautiful home. Again, this home is offered at $489,000, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a loft, with a den area on the first floor as well, and an amazing location here in the Centennial Hills. Great value for a newer home and also under $500,000. Again, thank you so much for watching this entire tour. I hope you enjoy it. If you need to tour this home, contact me 725-287-5242. I can't wait for you to enjoy a convenient living here in the amazing Centennial Hills. Until next time, have an amazing day today. Welcome to your community gate with a low HOA fee of $57 a month. Isn't it nice? You have this amazing community gate. Right after exiting this community gate, you have the amazing Centennial Hills hospitals and a lot of shopping and dining.